What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here,
First off, welcome.
And as you read by today's title, you know what we're about to get into. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get into this video. Now, I know some of y'all look at my hair like, what's wrong with it? It looks fine. It doesn't look terrible at all. I look good right now. But here's the thing. I washed my hair. Today is, what is today? Today's Saturday. I washed my hair yesterday. I don't know why I thought I was learning that. I washed my hair yesterday and I had parted my hair because what I was going to do was I was going to put jumbo braids in my hair, but when it came like time to actually do it, I was like, you know what, I don't think I want to do this anymore, and I just, left my hair the way it was, and I'll insert a picture of how my hair was before I got on camera. And of course I did like the rubber band method, so I had to take the rubber bands out my hair and comb my hair out before I got on camera, because doing that on camera would have just made this video longer than it had to be. So yeah, that's just that on that. For y'all, I'm gonna be trying to do these Jesus Christ. I'm gonna try to do these cocoon curls I have been seeing around the internet or whatever. So yeah, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, because yeah, we gotta get into it. You already know I'm gonna be using Cantu, and I'm gonna be using this Cantu Moisturizing Curl Activator Cream and my little Cantu Coconut Curling Cream with my coconut oil. Okay, so how I'm gonna do this, since I've never done this before, I'm going to go ahead and do the back part of my head, and I'll come back on camera to show y'all how to do it basically, and do the front part of my head, because since I don't know how to do this, I don't know how this is gonna turn out. I mean, I don't think it can be that hard though, because all you're doing is, well, you'll see. Okay, so I am back, and as y'all see, this top half, I left the top half of my hair, or top section, whatever you want to say, same difference, of my hair out. The back is done. Okay, y'all see that? My little cocoon curls. I'm gonna show y'all how to do it, and as far as sectioning, I'm just going with how my hair was sectioned or parted for the braids I was telling y'all about in the beginning of the video. What I was gonna do for my jumbo braids, I take my water, I'm gonna spritz my hair down, and I take my moisturizing curl activator cream, put that on here, a little bit of my coconut curling cream. I don't really use a whole lot of that. Now I take my coconut oil, and then detangle, of course. I'm going to twist my hair. What you're gonna do, you're gonna take 2 fingers, and then you're going to wrap it upward. You see that? Just whoop, just a little loop. Then you're going to twist it. You're gonna bring it around. I'll hold it with my thumb. You don't have to. And then just twist upward. I'm gonna fast forward through this part until I get to the top section up here. We'll go from there, okay? Show y'all again before I fast forward through this section. So, after you put your product on and twist your hair or that section up, what you gonna do is this. Take your 2 fingers, put it up, and what I do is I go this way and I use my thumb to hold it in place. Then I just wrap it up. That's basically how you do it. I will be back with my last section up here on this side. So I'm gonna fast forward through all this. I've done this side of my hair. I basically almost my whole head, just this one section. So I'm gonna show y'all one more time. So you're gonna spritz your hair with water or whatever you use. Then you're gonna add your products. So I'm adding my moisturizer. Then I'm adding my curling cream. And I'm adding my coconut oil. I'm just gonna detangle. Now you're going to twist your hair like so. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your 2 fingers, you're gonna loop it up, and then I take my thumb to get it to the other side, as y'all can see, just to hold it, and then you're just gonna twist your hair up. Just like that, all the way to the top. And once you can't grab with your thumb no more, what I do is I take my fingers out. Just gonna twist it all the way to the roots. Just gonna make sure it's secure. And boom, that's how you do it. So these are my cocoon curls. Okay, so this is what my hair is looking like now. These are my cocoon curls. Now the other side. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna air dry for the rest of the day. It's like 6 or 7. So it's 7 something in the evening at this point. So and my fan is on. So I'm gonna let it air dry for the rest of the night. As far as nightly maintenance is just put my bonnet on, and because I really think that's all I really can do. If it's dry by tomorrow, I know it takes my hair a little bit of time for it to dry, and since my hair is kind of twisted up right now, it might need an extra day to dry. So I'll either be back in a day or 2. So make sure y'all stay tuned. In the next clip, y'all see me wrapping my hair. Basically the back part of my hair out, and no, we got a little bounce going on or whatever. I'm gonna gonna show y'all what the back looks like. But we gonna keep going. The bounce of my hair is on point, okay? So we're gonna do this side now. So this is what my hair is looking like. Just a little weird right now. Like the shape of my hair is weird right now. What I'm gonna do is this is what I'm gonna do, because y'all know I always have a plan B. So I'll be back tomorrow. So this will be part 3 because this was part 2. I'll be back tomorrow with how my hair looks when it's stretched out, and then I'll make a final decision on if I like it or not. I'll be back on my final feelings on how I feel about this. This is what my hair is looking like now that it's stretched out. As you all can see, my curls are very much still there. So honestly, my final answer is that I like this a lot. I don't get this type of or this much curl or definition out of my braid outs as I do with this. And the fact that I got this much curl and bounce without having to use heat is crazy. This was my tutorial on Cocoon curls. If you want to try it, you know how to do it because I did a whole tutorial on it. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in my next video.